a beep that no one hears, an alarm that is not forwarded, a fire suppression system that fails to function at the crucial moment. Sometimes it is precisely these small moments that determine safety or disaster. Because when hazardous substances are involved, a single failure is enough to put human lives at risk. That's why asecos offers servicing for online safety cabinets. Not because maintenance is a requirement, but because safety means responsibility, and because you have made a conscious investment. You have made an important decision with your online cabinet, for safety, for responsibility, for people. To ensure that this protection remains reliable day after day, one thing is needed: regular inspection by experts. What happens when online cabinets are not maintained? If an online cabinet is not regularly and professionally maintained, its safety promise is compromised, and with it the certainty that everything will work in an emergency. Sensors designed to detect smoke or heat can become dirty or dull, and fail when you need them most. An alarm that has not been tested will remain silent when every second counts. And a fire suppression system that is not monitored may not provide protection in an emergency. Ventilation and power supply must never be neglected either. This is because many sensitive systems work together inside this cabinet, and each one contributes to your safety. Unsupervised charging of lithium-ion batteries is considered gross negligence in the event of damage. The ION line enables safe, supervised charging in a safety cabinet. Regular testing and maintenance are essential to ensure that everything works together perfectly. Why choose asecos? Because safety is no accident, and because day-to-day routine alone is not enough. Our service technicians are not just technicians, they are safety specialists. Electricians, intensively and regularly trained, so that they are prepared for every detail of your ION line model. Our service technicians not only check the condition of the cabinet, but also its usage to ensure that application and safety remain in harmony. They check using specially developed software, precision measurements, and a deep understanding of responsibility. And if a spare part is needed, they only use original asecos components to ensure that the cabinet retains its full protective power. After each maintenance, you will receive an official asecos test report, a document that makes safety visible and verifiable. For you, for insurance companies, for your responsibility. Maintenance and service also mean cost control through planned checks, value retention, and long-term investment security. Asecos service means more than just maintenance. It means not leaving protection to chance. It means trust and the certainty that someone is behind you who takes safety as seriously as you do. Asecos service for maximum safety when it really matters.